Hello, 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 my dear friends. Hello, my dear friends. Anyone in the live? Anyone in the live? Hello, my dear friends. If anyone in the live, just say me hi. Say me whether the video and audio is clear. Say me whether the video and audio is clear. Anyone in the live? Hello, hello, my dear friends. I hope the audio and video is clear. If it is clear, just you say me hi. If anyone in the live, just say me hi and say me whether the video and audio is clear. Video and the audio is clear. If anyone is in the live, just say me hi. Amit Dubey. Hi Amit, hi. Hi Praneeth. Video and audio is clear. Urvasi Patel, hi, hi. NH2. No. Some type of the one. Wow. Right, right. Some more. Right, right. Hi, hi, NH2. Video and audio is clear, right? Right. Done, done, done. Amit Dubey from NEET and studying. Urvasi Patel. I hope try to be focused on the class. Okay. If any extra anything, if it is there, we can see it at last. Right. NH2. May I know your name? NH2. National Highway 2 or amine. When it comes to the chemistry, NH2 is amine. Okay. May I know the name of NH2? Okay, Urvasi. Okay, fine, fine. Right, 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 right. Now we'll wait for the 2 minutes so that the rest others they can come so that we can start our class. Now in our organic chemistry series already. Good evening, Ansh. Good evening. Max to max, I will try to end it within 1.5 hours. Within 1.5 hours, I will try to finish. Max to max, I will try to finish in 1.5 hours. Why, Ansh? You are having any extra? That's what I'm saying. Max to max, I will try to finish in the 1.5 hours, or it will be up to you. Actually, the duration of the class I am trying to make it in the 1.5 hours, but while in the middle some of them are coming and some of them are asking the questions. some of them are having the some concerns. Due to that the class duration is increasing, and while I was asking the questions also, some of them you are not responding. I said you in the starting itself, if you know the answer, try to say, interact. If not, give me the question mark, I said you. Due to that the extensor up to what, max to max I can today max to max we will see the preparations of the alcohols, and with the n number of questions from the JEE Mains, NEET as well as advanced level questions. Okay, the class I was not started the class. Karthik, I was not started the class itself. Right. Right. Shall we start the class? Are any concerns? Any concerns? Any question sessions? Should I start the class, or anything you want to ask? Any concerns? Anything you are having? Okay, fine. You want to ask anything? Any concerns are there? Should I start the class? Start. Okay, fine, right. Okay, done. I will start the class now. Right. Now here. Okay, Ansh. Okay. Right. Now listen. Here the next chapter of the very important chapter of our organic chemistry that we are going to study, that is alcohols, phenols, ethers. In this alcohols, phenols, ethers, we know most of the application part of the alcohols, phenols, ethers. See, whatever we have studied in the hydrocarbons and whatever we have studied in the alloalkenes, alloarenes, again it will be repeat. Again those reactions will be repeat. Again those process will be repeat. Clear? But here whatever the reactions we have studied in the hydrocarbons, but those reactions we have to study only on the basis of alcohols and the phenols. That's it. Clear? Now first of all, this is first alcohol, phenol, clear, and the ethers. Alcohols, phenols and the ethers. First we will study only the alcohols, phenols, and the latter we will study about the which one, ethers. Clear? Here we know alcohol's functional group. If the alcohol is acting as the main functional group, we say it as the ol. Clear? If suppose if it is acting as a prefix or if it is acting as a substitution, what we will say? Can anyone? If suppose alcohol is acting as a substituent, what we can say? It is hydroxy. Clear? So now we'll see the classification of hydroxy compounds. Good evening, Ashray. Good evening. Classification of no. Now itself I started the class. Classification of hydroxy compounds. Now in the classification of the hydroxy compounds, one with aliphatic, one with aromatic. Clear? Again this aliphatic, again it has been further divided into three types. One is alkyl, then one is alkenyl, one is alkynyl. This is triple bond. Then in the aromatic, we know those are phenols. Now many of the students, they will having some misconception regarding this one. If suppose alkyl CH3OH they have given. Now these two are same or different. This is a methyl alcohol. Now this is a phenol, right? Both are same or different. Both will act as the same functional group or both will act as a both will act as the same functional group, or it will act as a different functional group. Both will act as the same functional group or different functional group. Both will act as the same functional group or different functional group. Both will act as the same functional group or different functional group. You have to be very careful with this one. Whenever the alcohol they have given and phenol they have given, both are not same. They are not the same functional groups. They are different. Alcohol it is different and the phenol it is different. Clear? And many of the students, they don't know the simplest monohydric alcohol. This one, what is the name of this one? What is the name of this one? This one, what is the name of this compound? Can anyone say what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? In the NEET they are repeatedly they are stressing methanol. But there is another compound, there is another one name. Recently the examiner of the any entrance examiner is stressing another name, it is there other than methanol. No, not methyl alcohol or methanol, some other name it is there for it. That is carbinol. You have to be very careful with this name. They will stress with this type of the names also. Examiner, they will stress with this type of the names also. It is carbinol. Methyl alcohol or carbinol. The common name of this compound is which one? Carbinol. Is it clear? Common name of this compound is carbinol. Yes, this is carbinol. You have to be very careful with this one. Okay, right. Now, next one will be the alkyl alcohol. May I know what is the name of this compound? May I know what is the name of this compound? Common name. Try to say me the 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 common name. What is the name of this compound? Allyl alcohol. Yes, allyl alcohol. Now this one we call it as a 2-degree allyl alcohol. 2-degree allyl alcohol. Clear? Now if suppose the triple bond if they have given triple bond, now this is a alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol. Clear? Done? Right. Now next. Now the very important for this one is actually many of the students, they don't know the actual name of the alcohols. In the examiner they will stress with the common name or IUPAC names, and many of the students they will get confused over there. See here, whenever this type of the alcohols if they have given, now classification of alcohols based on number of OH groups. Clear? First one, monohydric. Monohydric means here in this monohydric we know 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and the 3 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol means we know this is a 1 degree alcohol. 2 degree alcohol means this is a 2 degree alcohol. Now this is a 3 degree alcohol. Clear? Next one we are having the dihydric alcohols. Next one we are having the dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols are, we call it as a diols. Now in this dihydric alcohols, here we are having the two types. One is vicinal, one is a geminal. Many of the students, they will get confused here itself. You have to be very careful. Now among the geminal and the vicinal, geminal and the vicinal diols is nothing but, vicinal diols is nothing but adjacent carbons. If the OHs are there, that one we call it as a vicinal diols. Two OHs are there, right? Two OHs are there. So we call this one as a, which one? Clear? This one we call it as a vicinal diol. Next one, geminal diol is nothing but, for the one carbon, if two OH groups are attached, for the one carbon, two OH groups are attached, that one we call it as a geminal diols. But geminal diols are unstable. This is very, very important. Geminal diols are unstable. These are unstable. So what it will happen? This is unstable. So what it will, why may I know if the geminal diols, if they are given, what it will happen? May I know what it will happen if the geminal diols are given? If the geminal diols are given, what it will happen? Why the geminal diol, what it will happen if the geminal diol is given? If the geminal diol is given, ketone, H2O, H2O will be eliminated, aldehyde will form. For this one, aldehyde will form, not ketone. Now, here the elimination of the H2O will take place, and this bond pair of electron will be shifted here, and it will give you the respective aldehyde. Clear? This is a one very key point you have to remember. Right. H2O elimination will be takes place. Done. Next we'll see the trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohols. Now what is the meaning of the trihydric alcohols? Trihydric alcohols means here CH2OH, this is CHOH, now this is a CH2OH. Can anyone say the name of this one? Can anyone say the name of this one? You know what is the name of this one? If you know, you say me the answer. If not, give me the question mark. This is glycerol. You have to be very careful with this one. This is a glycerol. Done. Now next, polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohols means examples: glucose, mannose, etc. This will comes under the polyhydroxy functional groups. Clear? Now these are the some what? These are the some classifications. Now we have to see every chapter only one process will be continued. First, if we are studying about the alcohols means first we have to what? First we have to start with the which one? Preparation. Then after we have to study its chemical property. Then we have to see the reactions of it one. Then again we have to come to the preparations of the phenol, physical property and its chemical property. Only these three steps will be following the organic. That's the reason at the end what it will do, all the reactions they will intermix and they will ask you in the one form of the questions. So remembering of the each reaction mechanism and what is the role of that reagent will do, where it will attack, that to become pro in the organic, maintaining of the short notes by your own, by your understanding, it is a very key step. Clear? Done? Now we'll see the preparation of alcohols. Then the preparation of the alcohols, first by hydrocarbons. By hydrocarbons. By the hydrocarbons we have to prepare the alcohols. Now first one, in that hydrocarbons, the first one, addition of water, addition of H2O. With the addition of H2O we have to prepare the which one? We have to prepare the alcohol. Clear? Now in this, the what are the key point you have to remember? Reagent. Here the reagent is concentrated H2SO4 and H2O. Concentrated H2SO4 and the H2O. Next one, intermediate. Here the intermediate. Here the intermediate is a carbocation. Now we know if the carbocation, if it is formed, rearrangement, carbocation rearrangement takes place. Carbocation rearrangement takes place. Clear? Done. Right. Next very key point. Next very key point you have to remember that it follows Markovnikov rule. This is a very key point in the addition of water to the alkene. Addition of water to the alkene, it will follow the which one? Markovnikov rule. Now how it will follow the Markovnikov rule? Now how the alcohols we have to prepare? Now we'll see. First one. First preparation. If I take the alkene, now in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, now this is a H2O. Done. Now in the H2O, how it will be there? H plus it will be there. Now alkene is a electrophile or nucleophile? Alkene is a electrophile or nucleophile? Can anyone? Alkene is a electrophile or nucleophile? Alkene is electrophile or nucleophile? Can anyone say me? Alkene is a electrophile or nucleophile? That is nucleophile. Good. Alkene being the nucleophile, because this weak pi bond it is there. That's the reason alkene is a nucleophile. Done. This nucleophile, here we are having the H plus. Now it will be readily given to the electron deficient species. When it is readily given to the electron deficient species, then we have to see the stable carbocation where it will form. Here one chance we are having. Now the second chance we are having. Here the second chance. Among the 1 and 2, which is a more stable intermediate? Among the 1 and 2, which is a more stable intermediate? Among the 1 and 2, which is a more stable intermediate? Among the 1 and 2, which is a more stable intermediate? 1 is a more stable intermediate because it is generating the which one? 2 degree carbocation. It is generating the 1 degree carbocation. Now the carbocation will what it will happen? It will rearrange, or it will move to the next one. In the solution we are having the OH minus. That OH minus it will go and stabilize, and what it will get? We'll get the alcohol. We'll get the alcohol in this manner. Done? Now, right. Next. Now I will write the Now I will write the which one? 3 questions with the 3 different model of the 4 different model of the questions I will write. Now you have to say me the names of the which one? Names of the 4 compounds. Okay. Okay, this is the one with H plus H2O. Okay. Now concentrated H plus H2O. Next one concentrated H2SO4 H2O. Okay. Concentrated H2SO4 H2O. Okay. Now what is the name of the first one? What is the name of the second one? What is the name of the third one? What is the name of the fourth one? Now, try to say me the answer. What is the name of the first one? What is the name of the second one? What is the name of the first one? Is a 4-methyl pentatool. 4-methyl pentatool. Okay. You are saying it as a 4-methyl pentatool. Second one. You are saying it as a 4-methyl pentatool. You are saying the answer is 4-methyl pent 4-methyl. Praneeth, once you cross check the first one answer. Once you cross check the first one answer. First one answer is wrong. 4,4 pentatool, that is also wrong. 4-methyl pentatool is wrong. 4,4 dimethyl pentatool is also wrong. Once you cross check. Rest any other than him. What I said, the first key point I said that only, right? Addition of H2O to the hydrocarbon. First is concentrated H2O. Intermediate is a carbocation. And rearrangement takes place, I said, right? That is the first key point I said. And it will follow the Markovnikov rule. This is not the elimination reactions. Rest any other? Try to say me the answer. Rest any other? Try to say me the answers. Rest any other? Try to say me the answers. Rest any other? Try to say me the answers. Two-methyl pentatool. Yes, good. This is 2-methyl pentatool, because here what it will happen? 1,2 hydrate transfer will be happened. 1,2 hydrate transfer will be happened. So you have to be cross check. You have to be very careful with this type of the questions they have given. 1,2 hydrate transfer will be happened. Yes. Next 2,3 dimethyl pentatool. Yes. Here the methyl shift. Here the methyl shift will be happened. Yes. Clear? Here the methyl shift will be happened. Yes. Right. Here the methyl shift. Next. Next one. What is the answer? Now 2-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol. 2-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol. 2-methyl వచ్చిందా? Now the ring expansion here it will be happen. Here it will get the positive charge. Then the ring expansion will be happen. Here it is a positive charge, here it is a negative charge, here the ring expansion. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-membered ring. Here we will get the positive charge. Again 1,2 hydrate transfer will happen, right? Then the compound will be this one, right? 1-methyl cyclohexes 1-ol, right? Now how come you got the 2-methyl? 1-methyl cyclohexes 1-ol. Hello Yashwant, hello. Third one question answer is 1-methyl cyclohexes 1-ol. Second one answer is 1-methyl cyclopent 1-ol or pentane 1-ol. That is for next compounds of pentane 1. No, this third compound answer is you have said 1-methyl cyclopent. You have said 2-methyl cyclohexes 1-ol, but actually the compound for this one is a 1-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol. Yashwant, hi, late వచ్చావు. You have late to the class. अच्छा, okay, fine, right. Only one concept I started. That is only one concept. This is the concept I was started. Hydrocarbons, addition of H2O. That's it. That what you are forgetting. Hydrate transfer you have to cross check. This will play very crucial role. This they will not give you in the questions, right? This will not give you, so you have to cross check. ఇవే చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ పెద్దగా అవుతాయి. This type of the small mistakes only will play very crucial role. Okay, now this compound will be, here you will get OH. So 1-methyl cyclopentane 1-ol. Here 1-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol. Right. Yashwant, only the in the alcohols phenols chapter la first one only it has been completed. Only addition of concentrated H2SO4. Ikkade idi gurtu pettuko. Concentrated by the hydrocarbons, preparation of the H2O reagent, concentrated H2O, H2SO4, H2O. Intermediate carbocation rearrangement takes place. It will follow the Markovnikov rule. Okay. Dan tarvata idi mechanism. Stable carbocation we have to see, and we have to add the OH. Now these are the some questions I gave. Now we are doing. Is it clear? Shall. Alright. Now try to be focused in the class, and we'll move to the next question. Okavela. Right. Wait. This is about the first one. Now we'll move to the second one. Second one is a second type of the preparation. Second type of the preparation that we are going to see, that is oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration and the demercuration. Oxymercuration and the demercuration we are going to see. Now here the reagent is HgOAC2, clear, and NaBH4, clear, and comma H2O and the H2O. Is it clear? Done. Now these are the reagent that we are going to see in this. Done. Now we'll see the mechanism. What it will happen? This is a reagent. Now here what it will happen? Here the intermediate. What are the intermediate it will form? Intermediate is cyclic intermediate. 3-member cyclic intermediate it will form, or you can write cyclic intermediate. Okay, very key point you have to remember. It follows Markovnikov rule. Okay, no rearrangement will take place. No rearrangement. Here the very important point is rearrangement. Here the rearrangement will not take place. Here the no rearrangement will take place. No rearrangement takes place. Okay. These 4 points are enough to predict the whatever may be the question they have given. We can predict the answer. These are the 4 key points. It is enough. Is it clear? Now, right. We'll see the mechanism. If suppose one alkane if they are given, now mercuric acetate and sodium borohydrate and H2O. Mechanism: first the mercuric acetate in this manner. Now oxygen being the more electronegative, it will take the bond pair of electron towards itself and it will be eliminated, and this is a Hg plus and the OAC plus OAC minus. Now this is the electrophile generated here. Now after generating the electrophile, this electrophile will go and attack to the which one? Alkene. Clear? This is the electrophile generated. Now this electrophile will go and attack in this manner. Clear? Sorry. Now it will be given to this one. Now electrophile, here the OAC. Clear? Now here this mercury, it is having the some lone pair of electron, that it is given to the deficiency. Then it will form the which one? It will form the cyclic ring in this manner. In this manner, the 3-member cyclic ring it will form. After forming the 3-member cyclic ring, now hydroboration elimination we have to do. Then again this bond pair of electron will be given to the which one? Mercury. Again when this bond pair of electron has been given to this mercury, again we will get the what? Positive charge. We get the positive charge. After getting the positive charge in the solution, we are having the OH minus. That OH minus, it will go and attack to this carbon. Clear? After the OH minus, when it has went and it has attacked to the carbon, now here we are having the OH. Then after that oxymercuration-demercuration we have to do. Now here the due to the presence of hydroboration, now this mercury, it will take this bond pair of electron towards itself. Now from the hydroboration we will get the hydride. Whatever the positive charge it is having, that it is stabilized by this hydride, and we will get the what? Alcohol. What it will alcohol? Now it will get the 2-degree alcohol. Means what it has happened? Here it will follow the Markovnikov rule, right? Means only one point you have to remember. Whenever the oxymercuration-demercuration question if they have given, now OH will add to the alkene carbon which contain more number of hydrogens, which contain less number of hydrogens. Clear? Done? Now in this manner the mechanism here we will get. Now here also I will write the some questions. Now you have to say me the answers. Okay? This is the one question. Now, okay, now mercuric acetate, OAC2, NaBH4 and H2. Now say me the answer. Say me the answer for this one. Say me the answer for this one. Anyone in the live, try to say me the answer for this one. Anyone is in the live, try to say me the answer for this question. Anyone who is in the live, try to say me the answer for this question. Anyone is in the live, try to say me the answer. 3 questions I was given, right? 2-cyclohexyl ethane 1-ol. No. First one is 2. But first one, once you cross check, okay, Bhagya, you can try, no problem. Sir, methane 1-ol. ఈ రెండు సేమే. This 2 will give you the same products. This 2 will give you the same products. This 2 will give you the same product, but Pranit, whatever you have said, 2-cyclohexyl ethane 1-ol is wrong. 2-methyl buta 1-ene. Which one you are saying? Bhagya, which one you are saying? First one or second one or third one? First one you are saying, second one or third one? 2-methyl buta 1-ene. 2-methyl buta 1-ene is wrong. 2-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol. నీకు 2-methyl ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వస్తుంది? కాదమ్మా, లాస్ట్ వన్ కాదు, లాస్ట్ వన్ అది కాదు ఆన్సర్. భాగ్య, అది లాస్ట్ వన్ అది కాదు ఆన్సర్. ప్రణీత్, నీకు 2-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది సార్? 2-methyl ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వస్తుంది నీకు? అసలు 2-methyl నీకు అసలు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చింది? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి కాంపౌండ్ రాసి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఐపీఎస్ క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకో. కానీ థర్డ్ వన్ భాగ్య మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడమ్మా. భాగ్య, వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ క్రాస్ చెక్. భాగ్య, వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ క్రాస్ చెక్. షుడ్ ఐ సే? Will you try? Should I wait? Okay. Try then. Now I will give you 1 minute time. Try to say me the answer. I will give you 1 minute time. Now the time is 8:13 now. By 8:14, try to say me the answer. Then 1-methyl cyclohexane 1-ol. Then why you are in that much hurry? From that time onwards you are saying it as a 2-methyl. Bhagya, are you there? Now you see here, first one, whenever the oxymercuration demercuration questions they have given, Oxymercuration-demercuration questions if they are given, we know what it will do. What it will do? First one, Markovnikov rule follow. Okay, Markovnikov rule follow. No rearrangement. No rearrangement. Then no rearrangement means Markovnikov rule followed means now nucleophile will go and attack at alkene carbon contain less hydrogens kada. Alkene carbon contain less hydrogens. Then here it will give you the CH3. Now the hydride, what it has formed, that it will come. Now here it is the more stable. Here the OH will form. So both are same only, right? This is one only, right? 1 methyl cyclohexane 1 ol. Cyclohexane 1 ol. Here for this one also it will be give same only. For this one also it will give you same. Both will give you the same product only. Then when it comes to here, what it will happen? Now here again the cyclic ring will be formed. Now the cyclic ring will be formed. When that cyclic ring is formed, now again here it will get the OH, right? Here it will get the OH. Now this one will be the 2-methyl butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. So is it clear? Bhagya, is it clear? Everyone who are in the live, is it clear? Is it clear? Should I move to the next question? Should I move to the next concept? Should I move to the next concept? Clear, sir. Right. Okay, fine. Now the next concept is very, very important. The concept in that from the hydrocarbons only, the next concept, that is hydroboration. In this hydroboration, reagent, here the reagent is tetrahydrodiborane in the presence of tetrahydrofuran. This diborane we can write in this manner or we can write in this manner. Okay, both are same, don't get confused. In the presence of NaOH and H2O or peroxide. Clear? Now this is a reagent. Now here the next one, here the no rearrangement will take place. No rearrangement will be takes place. Clear? Then it follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Now we know, right, what is the meaning of anti-Markovnikov rule? Can anyone? What is the meaning of the anti-Markovnikov rule? It follows the anti-Markovnikov rule, and the very, very important point is it is an example of syn addition. Syn addition means same side addition. Syn addition means same side addition. Electrophile will go to the more number of hydrogens. Alkene carbon containing more number of hydrogens. Syn addition means same side addition. Done? Now we'll see how the mechanism it will follow. Now we'll see. Here this is a CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Whenever the hydroboration question they have given, they will not mention it as a 3 moles. Actually, this alkane will be the plenty in the solution. Then we know alkane is a nucleophile. Diborane it is having the vacant orbital. Diborane, it is having the vacant orbital, right? Because it is a Lewis acid. Yes, clear. Now this diborane, it will give this bond pair of electron towards itself. Then when it is giving its bond pair of electron towards itself, now it will form the one transition in this manner. One transition in this manner it will form. Clear? Here it will form the one transition. Now this hydrogen will be added to this carbon, because it will get the what? This will get which one? Actually this transition it will be formed. Here the bond formed, here the bond will be broken. Here the bond forming, the bond broken will be happen. Now due to that, what it will happen? Here it will become CH3, CH2, here the CH2, here the CH2, and it will become the BH. This one will become BH. In this manner. Again this boron is the vacant, right? Again it is a vacant. Mechanism is not necessary. Jatin Agarwal, mechanism is not necessary, but for your understanding I was explaining. Should I explain the mechanism or should I move to directly? I have to move to the questions. From half of the mechanism I came, right? So let me finish this complete mechanism. So let me finish the complete mechanism. Now again another mole of the which one? Alkene will come. Again another mole of the alkene. What it will happen? Again it will be given to the this boron. Again this hydrogen will form the bond in this manner. Then what it will happen? What you will get? Here the CH3, here the CH2, here the CH2, here it is a B, and here it is a H. Now again here it will be the CH2, here it will be the CH2, and here it will be the CH3. Okay. Next again this boron is vacant. Again the another mole of the which one? Alkene. Again this another mole of the alkene will be given to this boron. Again this hydrogen will be formed here. Then what happened? Now here the now the 3 moles of the boron, it will form the trialkyl boron, it will form in this manner, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Clear? And here also CH2, CH2 and CH3. In this manner it will form. Clear? The 3 moles it will form, because the boron is a vacant, right? Then after that what it will happen? Now upon hydrolysis, less electronegative will go to the which one? More electronegative will go to the less electronegative. Due to that what it will get? You will get the primary alcohol. In this manner we will get the primary alcohol, and here we will get the H3BO3. The side product will get it as a H3BO3. Is it clear? Done. In this manner the one cyclic transition it will form. Then after that hydrolysis you will get the 1 degree alcohol, and the side product will be the H3BO3. Right? Now can anyone say what is the N factor of H3BO3? Can anyone say what is the N factor of the H3BO3? H3BO3 N factor. H3BO3 N factor. Can anyone say? No, I know you guys will say H3BO3. So sir, it will be in this manner. So here the 3 hydrogens are there, so it will give. No, here boron still it is having the vacant. Boron still it is having the vacant orbital. So H3PO3 is 2. I asked H3BO3. I asked the H3BO3. Now this H3BO3, still it is having the vacant. Still it is a Lewis acid only. H3BO3 is Lewis acid. H3BO3 is Lewis acid. You can see boron it is having the still it is having the vacant orbital. Boron still it is having the vacant orbital. It will take the electrons, but why it will give the electron? Why it will give the electron? This boron what it will do? First it will take the one OH from the solution. It will take the OH from the solution. After taking the OH from the solution, now it will form in this manner. Now whatever the OH it has came from the solution, now its octet has been completed. Now you see this boron octet has been completed. After the octet completed, this H plus will be given to the solution. So this H3BO3 N factor is 1. Okay, don't get confused, and they will make you confused by giving this H3BO3, and you will think that it is having the 3 OH and it is having the 3 replaceable hydrogens. So its N factor will be 3. No, don't be in hurry up, because here the boron itself, it is a Lewis acid. Still it can accept the electron. Why it will give the electrons? Why it will give the electrons? So that's the reason. First what it will do? First it will react with the one OH. After reacting with the OH, then whatever the boron octet when it has completed, then it will give you the 1 H plus to the solution. So H3BO3 N factor is 1. Remember, this is very very important. This is very very important. Is it clear? Right. I hope it is clear for you. Right. Should I move? Should I move to the questions? Should I move to the questions? Clear, sir. Right. Done. Now I will give you one question. Here one alkene if they have given. Right. Now upon B2H6 tetrahydrofuran, now NaOH H2O2. Okay. Now I will write the options. You have to say me the which is correct one. Which one is correct one? Okay. B. Okay, this is B. Now C. Now you say me, what is the answer? Answer is C, because it is a syn addition. This is a syn addition. So the answer is C. The answer is C. Now here we have studied about the 3 reactions, right? Now you can see. Now we have studied about the from the hydrocarbons how to prepare the alcohols. Now we have C. C syn addition antiparallel. Now I will write the products. Now you have to say me the here. Okay. Now OAC2 NaBH4. Okay. D2. Now which is the correct option? You have to say me. Now you have to say me the which is the correct option. Now among the A, B, C, D, which is the correct? Which is the correct answer? Now which is the correct answer? Shaikh. I hope it is English only, not the Spanish. Among the A, B, C, D, which is the correct one? C. Answer is C. Anti-addition Markovnikov rule may be B. No. Actually the answer is C. Answer is C. But okay, Shaikh, okay, no problem. You can say me the answer. Okay, Shaikh, you have said good. C, good. C, this is which one? D2O, right? This D2O will provide the O dt minus. No, this is which one? Oxymercuration-demercuration, Markovnikov rule, right? It will give you the Markovnikov rule, right? Markovnikov rule, no rearrangement will be there. So the answer is C. Urvasi, after long back you have came. In middle you are going and you are coming. Be concentrated to the class. Everyone who are in the live, try to be concentrated in the class from the starting onwards, because these lectures are very, very important. This is OD. OD has came from the which one? D2O, and H, hydroboration. H has came from the NaBH, Na sodium borohydrate. Okay, so don't be confused. Now I will write the, now you have to say me the products for this one. One, it is a H plus D2O. Okay, second one, oxymercuration-demercuration. Now here it will be the NaDH, NaB DT4 and H2O. Clear? And this is a B2H6 tetrahydrofuran, NaOH and H2O2. Okay, now I will write the molecules. Now try to predict the option, which one is correct. Okay, try to predict the options, which one is correct among them. Option A. Option A. Let's take this is a 1, let's take this is 2, let's take this is 3. Better you say, better you try it from your end instead of I am writing. Now try it from your same. Now you have to say me what it will be added and what it will be eliminated. In the first one, OH will, what is the IUPAC name of the first one? What is the IUPAC name of the first one? What is the IUPAC name of the first one? What is the IUPAC name of the first one? Instead of same IUPAC, instead of OH, say it as OD, or else you write the structure CH3, CH2 like that, or instead of OH, OD will go. Instead of what? Instead of OH, what it will go? OD it will come. No. Now the what it will form? 2,3 dimethyl butane 1-ol. 2,3 dimethyl butane 1-ol. First one 2,3 dimethyl butane 1-ol. 2,3 dimethyl butane 1-ol. 3,3 dimethyl butene. No. Why Praneeth and Jatin? Those are wrong. I am asking for the first one. What is the IUPAC name? What is the IUPAC name for the first one? What is the IUPAC name for the first one? What is the IUPAC name for the first one? Not 2,3 dimethyl butane 1-ol. Not 2,3 for the first one. Once you cross check, normal H concentrated H plus and the D2O if they have given. No. I was not asking the. Rearrange. Rearrange it. After the rearranging, you will get this product, right? Here you will get the OD and here you will get the methyl. Then here it will be the 2,3 dimethyl 2,3 dimethyl butane 2,3 dimethyl butane. No, E should be not there. Why you are doing some mistakes? That is butane. Jatin, in the IUPAC for the butane E it should not be there. Actually this is a correct IUPAC. Because whenever the oval, if it is present in the 2 degree suffix, the oval which one will comes first in the either in the root word, either in the 1 degree suffix, then that E should be or that oval should be removed. So E it should not be there in the IUPAC. Okay, 2,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. E should not be there. So be corrected this time. For in the IUPAC, this type of the mistakes also they will. This type of the questions also they will stress. Okay, 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. Yes. Next one will be the 3,3 dimethyl butane 2-ol. But here what it will be added? Here you have to be very careful with this one. Here the OH will be added, but here the D will be added. Here the which one will be added? D will be added, because here the D they have taken. Yes, here they have taken the D, right? So here the D will be added. Now the last one. 3,3 dimethyl butane 2. Again Jatin, again you are doing the same mistake. Jatin Agarwal, again you are doing the same mistake. Again you are keeping the E in the IUPAC. Don't write the IUPAC with that E. Already I explained you very clearly. E should be removed in the IUPAC, the first oval. So all are agent 3,3 dimethyl butane 1-ol. In this case 3,3 dimethyl butane 1-ol. That's it. Butane 1-ol. You have to be very careful with the IUPAC. Sometimes this type of the IUPAC question they will stress. Done? Clear? This is a first preparation method. This is a first preparation method of the alcohols. In this manner we can prepare the alcohols. Clear? Now we'll move to the second type of the preparation method of the alcohols. In the second type of the preparation methods of the alcohols, second type. In the second type, this is treating. Next one we are having the treating alkene with moist Ag2O, with moist Ag2O or AgCl plus H2O. Now these are the some reagents we are going to take. You have to be very careful with this type of the reagents whenever they have given. Here this is a alkene carbon and one alkali halide we have taken. Now this alkene carbon and the alkali halide if we have taken, then in the presence of moist Ag2O they have given, may I know which mechanism it will follow? 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 Sorry, you are the better than my class teacher. Oh. Thank you, Jatin. Thank you. Thank you for your compliment. May I know which mechanism it will follow? Now you can see here. Here whenever the moist Ag2O if they have given, here what it will form? Ag plus it will form, right? Ag plus it will form. Ag plus what it will do? Very fastly. Hey, SN1, not SN2. Here it will produce the stable carbocation. Here the partially SN1 and SN2. Both SN1 and SN2 both. Allyl. Here allyl carbocation, right? Allyl carbocation. Now here the allyl carbocation is generated. Allyl carbocation. Then after the allyl carbocation, the moist Ag2O means H2O will be there. H2O will be there. Clear? Then if it is attacked here, now is it the correct stable product which I was wrote? Now here the one is correct or this 2 is correct. 1 is correct or 2 is correct. Here after the forming the stable carbocation, here the one product we are having a one chance and two product we are having the chance. Among the 1 and 2, which is a more stable product? Which is a more stable product? 2 is a more stable product, right? Clear? Done. Here whenever the carbocation if it is given, now 2-methyl but 3 in 2-ol. This is a which one? 2-methyl but 3 in 2-ol is a stable product. This is stable product. This is a stable product. Done. You have to be very careful whenever this type of the question they have given, because here it is having the what? Allyl alcohol, but there is no any alpha hydrogens. But here the stable carbocation, stable with the 2 methyl groups as well as the allyl. So this one is a more stable. You have to be very careful with this type of the molecule when they have given. Okay. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts? Should I move? Should I move to the next question? Should I move to the next one? Should I move to the next one? Or still you are having any confusion? Once again, should I explain or should I move to the next one? Yes, sir. Fine. Rest any other? Sir, is AgBr? I did not got it. What you are saying? What, Jatin? Is AgBr formed, sir? What AgBr? I did not got. Is AgBr? That is in the subproduct AgBr will form. Whatever the AgI it is there. Now as the AgBr it will be eliminated. In the subproduct AgBr, silver bromide will form. Yes. In the subproduct silver bromide will form. Now it will produce the stable carbocation. Now after the stable carbocation, actually this moist Ag2O will be in this manner. In this manner it will be. Yes, AgBr, yes, it will form. AgBr formed, sir, yes. Right. Then after that, it will form the OH. This moist Ag2O, if they have given, means it will be in this manner. AgOH. Right. Now, next another preparation methods of which one? Alcohol through. Now another preparation methods of the alcohol through, already yesterday, day before yesterday, in the last week we have studied, right? Now hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Through the hydrolysis of alkyl halides we can prepare the which one? Alcohols. The first one CH3, CH2, OH if they have given, in the presence of aqueous KOH if they have given. Now what is the product and which mechanism it has followed? Now you have to say me, what is the product and which mechanism it has followed? What is the product and which mechanism it has followed? What is the product and which mechanism it has followed? What is the product, which mechanism it has followed? Right, good. This is aqueous KOH. Now the OH not the aqueous. Now whatever may be the alcohol you will get, that alcohol, here I wrote the alcohol actually, sorry. Here it should be the chloride. Sorry. Actually here it should be the chloride. Here it should be the chloride. Then here at the nucleophile it will eliminate and the Cl will be, sir, I guess question is, yes, actually I forgot to wrote the alkali halide. I wrote the alcohol direct. I wrote the product at reactant side. Yes. I wrote the product at reactant side. I forgot. Sorry. Okay, right. Next. Yes, SN2. Yes, SN2. It will undergo SN2 reaction. Next one. Next one, if they have given the 2 degree alkali chloride, 2 degree alkali chloride if they have given, now, okay, fine, right. Now 2 degree alkali chloride if they have given, aqueous KOH if they have given, then how to decide the mechanism if they have given? Aqueous KOH if they have given, how to decide the mechanism and what is the product? We'll go, here we'll get the 2 degree alcohol. Then how to decide the mechanism? If the 2 degree alkali halide if they have given, now aqueous KOH if they have given, now how to decide the mechanism? Already I explained. If the nucleophile if it is weak, SN1. If the nucleophile if it is strong, that is SN2. In the 2 degree case, depending upon the nucleophilic strength you have to decide. If the nucleophile is weak, that is SN1. If the nucleophile is strong, that is SN2. Whenever the alkali halide, no, 2 degree carbocation is not that much unstable. It is stable only. We cannot say that much unstable. Now, if suppose the 3 degree alkali halide if they are given, blindly we know that it will readily gives the which one? Alcoholic KOH if they are given, readily it will give you the 3 degree alcohol. No, Jatin, 2 degree alkali halide if they have given, you have to be very careful with this one. How you know? You have to be very careful with that one. whether the nucleophilic strength, depending upon the nucleophilic strength, you have to add the, or you have to start the, you have to decide the mechanism, whether it is a SN1 or SN2. Right. Okay. Now actually here the both type of the SN1, it can go through the SN1, it can go through the SN2. So we can say the partially SN1 and the partially SN2. Here whenever the 2 degree alkali halide, if they have given, now partially SN1 and the partially SN2. So here it will be the SN1. Blindly we can believe here it will be the SN1. Right. Right. Next one, next type of the reaction that we are going to see from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent, this is very important. Here with the Grignard reagent, many times they will ask you the statement based questions. With this Grignard reagent, they will ask you the statement based questions. You have to be very careful. Now what is the Grignard reagent? Can anyone say what is the Grignard reagent? What is the Grignard reagent? Can anyone say? Can anyone say what is the Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent, can anyone say what is the Grignard reagent? Strong nucleophile, strong base E2 and SN2. Yes, that is RGMX, right? Grignard reagent is nothing but RMGX. RMGX is a Grignard reagent. Now this RMGX, in this RMGX, when we have taken the formaldehyde, now organometallic compound, yes. Now when this RGMX, if they have given, here which is a partially positive, which is a partially negative, which is a partially positive and which is a partially negative, which is a partially positive and which is a partially negative. Which is a partially positive and which is a partially negative? No, in this one, in the Grignard reagent. In the Grignard reagent, which is a partially positive, which is a, no, I am not asking in the formaldehyde case, I am asking in the Grignard reagent case. In the Grignard reagent case, which is a partially positive, which is a partial, R is negative, Mg is a partially positive. Why? Because metal always will be exist in the, metal always exists in the nature as a, which one? Metal always exists in the nature as a partial positive, and alkali will be exist in the minus, right? Because 1 degree alkali halide bearing the negative charge is more stable, and this Grignard reagent will be in this manner in the dry ether. This is dry ether, right? Now in the dry ether, this Grignard reagent will be restored in this manner. Clear? Now in this manner the Grignard reagent will be there. Here the oxygen due to the partial positive, now metal is a positive, right? Here it will form the bond, it will store in the Grignard reagent. Now in this Grignard reagent, this R minus, it will go and attack to this deficiency carbon. Here the more the deficiency of this carbon, more will be the, which reaction it is showing? Now Grignard reagent to the aldehyde, which reaction it is showing? Substitution, addition, elimination, rearrangement. Which reaction the Grignard reagent is showing to the carbonyl carbon? This type of the questions also they will ask you, and these are very important. Now Grignard reagent, which type of the reaction it has showed to the carbonyl compound? Which addition? Which addition? Which addition? Which addition reaction it will show? The Grignard reagent is showing some reaction to the formaldehyde. That is nucleophilic addition, because the nucleophile is coming and it is attacking to this carbonyl compound. So that is, it is showing the nucleophilic addition. Yes. Then when it is showing this nucleophilic addition, here it is a C and here it is a O negative. and here this positive charge of the Mgx will be attacked here, nucleophilic addition, yes, nucleophilic addition, and here we will get the R. Then R upon hydrolysis, then this will upon the hydrolysis, what it will happen? Now more electronegative will take the less electronegative, now less electronegative will take the more electronegative, and what it will get? You will get the 1 degree alcohol and magnesium hydroxy halide. This is magnesium hydroxy halide you will get. This is the product, means Grignard reagent with the formaldehyde we are getting the 1 degree alcohol. Clear? Next, second one. If suppose say RGMX plus aldehyde upon H2O, what you will get? What is the product you will get? And third one, RGMX plus, now at H2O, what is the functional group getted here? And sorry, what is the alcohol produced here? What is the alcohol produced here? Okay. Now in the second is the 2 degree alcohol. In the third 3 degree alcohol. In the 2 you will get it as a 2 degree alcohol. Here it will get it as a which one? 2 degree alcohol. Right. Now in the 3 you will get it as 3 degree alcohol. Yes, in the 2 degree, in the 3 degree alcohol. Right. Fine. Now next. Now we'll see the RGMX plus epoxides. They have given. They have given the epoxide. Then epoxides they have given upon H2O. Now I will give you the better. I will give you this as a CH3. Now can anyone say me the name of this? Same of the IUPAC name of this compound? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of this compound? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of this compound? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of this compound? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of this compound? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of that compound? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of that compound? Propanol, yes. Because this RGMX, here it is a negative charge, it will go and attack, and this oxygen it will take its bond pair of electron towards itself, then it will get it as a CH3, here the CH2, here it is a CH2, and here it is a O, and here we will get the MgX. Then upon hydrolysis, right? Upon hydrolysis if you do, here what it will get? More electronegative, it will take the less electronegative, and here the less electronegative will take the more electronegative, and you will get the propanol. You will get the propanol, and here it is a magnesium hydroxy halide. Done? Clear? Now in this manner they will ask you the questions. Okay? Right. Now I want to ask you one question regarding this one. Regarding this one, I want to ask you one question, because they are asking in the statement based question. Okay? Grignard reagent they have given RMgX plus one ester they have taken. one ester they have taken. Now to give the product, how many moles of Grignard reagent is required? How many moles of Grignard reagent is required upon H2O? Now to give the product, how many moles of Grignard reagent is used? How many moles used? Now you have to say me this answer. This is very, very important and repeatedly they are asking. How many moles has been used? How many moles has been used? How many moles has been used? Conformly you have to say me. Conform. Okay, esters, right. Esters will give you esters. Yes. 2 moles of Grignard reagent. 2 moles of Grignard reagent is used to produce the which degree alcohol will be produced here? Which degree alcohol is produced here? Which degree alcohol is produced here? Which, by using this 2 moles of Grignard reagent, which degree alcohol is produced? Which degree alcohol is produced? Right, good. 3 degree alcohol is produced. 3 degree alcohol is produced. Right. 3 degree alcohol is produced, and how many moles of the Grignard reagent is used? 2 moles of the Grignard reagent is used. Right. Next. Okay, fine. Right. Now here next one. Acid anhydride. Acid anhydride plus Grignard reagent upon H2O to produce 3 degree alcohol. How many moles of Grignard reagent used? How many moles used? Acid anhydride to produce 3 degree alcohol, how many moles of Grignard reagent used? No. How come 3? Pranit, how come 3? How come 3? No, I am asking you to produce the 3 degree alcohol. I am asking you to produce the 3 degree alcohol. I am asking you to produce the 3 degree alcohol. So two moles only it will be used. Now listen, how the 2 moles will be used. Now let's suppose this is one. Which one? This is a acid anhydride, right? This is a one acid anhydride. Okay, this acid anhydride upon Grignard reagent. This acid anhydride upon Grignard reagent. Done. This is a negative. It will go and attack here. Now it will be shifted towards the oxygen. We know. Now this is the initial product. One R has been added. Then O R C double bond O R dash. Clear? Again what it will happen? Now this bond pair of electron will be delocalized. and this oxygen will take this bond pair of electron and it will be eliminated. As a acetic acid, it will be eliminated. That acetic acid is stable. Then after that it will form the ketone, right? It will form the ketone. We need the alcohol, right? 3 degree alcohol. Again we have to react with the another mole of MgX. Again this another mole of the MgX it will go, and upon hydrolysis we know, right? R, here the O, here the H, directly I was writing the product, and here is the R. So only 2 moles has been used, right? Only 2 moles has been used. Either it may be the acid anhydride, either it may be the ester. It will give you the 2 moles only. Next you have to say me. Now by question, now you have to say me question by using 2 moles of Grignard reagent, by using 2 moles of Grignard reagent, okay, by using the 2 moles of Grignard reagent, 2 degree alcohol should, what we have to do, 2 degree alcohol should be generated, it should be generated without using substrate as ester and acid anhydride. Okay, now my question, you got it right? You have to use the 2 moles of Grignard reagent. After using the 2 moles of Grignard reagent, you have to produce the 2 degree alcohol. But a substrate, whatever the reactant you are taking, that reactant should not be the ester, that reactant should not be the acid anhydride. Can anyone? You have to produce the 2 degree alcohol. No, methanol will give no, 2 moles I said. Methanol will use only 1 mole, right? Jatin, if you take it as a methanol to produce the CH3MgX, it will use 1 mole only. By using 1 mole only, it will give you the 2 degree alcohol. No, methanol will use only 1 mole, not 2 moles. The answer is acid chloride. Acid chloride is a correct one. But acid chloride also will use 1 mole only, right? Praneeth, you have taken this as a acid chloride. But acid chloride also will take 1 mole only, right? RMgX. It will take, here it will go the Cl. Okay, to eliminate the Cl, another mole if you use, you will get 3 degree alcohol. My question, you got it right? Acid chloride you have taken, but to acid chloride to generate the 2 degree alcohol. But here what we have taken, here the 2 moles it will use, but it will produce 3 degree alcohol, right? Got it right? My question, you got it? Here CH3, C double bond O, Cl. First RMgX, it will go and attack. What it will get? CH3, here the CO, and here it is the Cl, and here is the one alkylate acid. But to produce here the double bond, now here the Cl it will be no carboxylic acid. No, not the carboxylic acid. Here the C, here again what it will generate? It will generate the ketone. After generating the ketone, again if you use the another mole of Grignard reagent, it will generate 3 degree alcohol, right? It will generate the 3 degree alcohol. 1 carbon with 2 diol. No. Actually, the answer is acid chloride only. But you are not thinking which acid chloride. Which acid? Answer is acid chloride. This question is somewhat tricky. Concept you know, but properly you are not applying. The concept you know, but properly you are not applying. By using the 2 moles of the Grignard reagent, if you know, you say me, no, don't say, no coral. With the coral we cannot use. Okay, Pranit, I will explain, listen. Should I explain? Should I explain? That is formyl halide. That is formyl halide. That is formyl chloride, sorry. Or methynyl halide. This one is a acid halide, but here it should be the, which one? Methonyl halide or formyl halide. We should not say acid halide. This is a formyl halide. Formyl halide will produce the, by using the 2 moles, it will produce the 2-degree alcohol. Formyl halide. Is it clear? Or formyl chloride. Formyl chloride will take the 2 moles of Grignard reagent to produce a 2-degree alcohol. Yes, Jatin is my student. Pranit is my student. Now, this is a formyl chloride. Jatin, you too try to say me the answer. I was equally to all. Here I was teaching equally to all. Jatin, whatever the doubts you are having, you can, Jatin, whatever the doubts you are having, you can share it to me. I can explain anything for you. Is it clear? Got it right? Any doubts? Still, this type of the questions also they will ask you to make you confused. They will ask you. If you know, try to say me the answer. If not, give me the question mark. Okay? Right. We'll move to the next topic. Yes. Good, Nana. Good. I was here to teach for the JEE, NEET as well as Advanced also. If you are preparing for the Advanced also, I am ready to help for you. Okay? The next very important through the functional group, the reducing agents also, if you take by the reducing reagents. This is very, very important. You have to be very careful with this one, with the reducing reagent. With the reducing reagents also we can prepare. Yes. Okay, fine. I am ready to help you. Whatever the doubts you are having, you can post to me to my mail ID. In that mail ID, I can provide you the doubts, or I can clear your doubts, whatever you are having in your concept, or if you are having any concept, if you are missing any concept clarity, I can say the class to you. It is totally free of cost only. My intention is to be help to the students who are serious to their academics. Actually, I was started this YouTube channel only because of the students who are in the Telegram, beginners chemistry Telegram channel. It is there. It is there in the description box. You can see. Captain America, sir, it is 9:13 p.m. Already I said you, right? If you are very serious to your academics, that it will feed me. If you got a good rank in your JEE, that it will be feed me lot. That it is enough. Jatin Agarwal, may I know from where are you from? It is in the description box, or else Jatin, you can text me to this my mail ID. You can text me to mail ID. This is my mail ID. You can text me whatever the doubts and the concerns you are having. I will respond over there. Sure. I was ready to help you. whatever may be the concept or whatever may be the anything regarding in the chemistry, I was ready to help you. Okay, fine, right. We'll move to the concept now. Now with the reducing reagents also we can prepare the alcohols. How? This is the first functional group. These are very interesting table. You have to be very careful with this table. Now if you remember these reagents, very fastly you can predict the answer. Okay, there are some selective reducing agents also. I will explain which are the selective reducing agents. First one, if suppose the aldehyde they have given, aldehyde readily it will be converted into the alcohol. With the which selective reducing agents? తింటానా నేను, నువ్వేం పరిశాన్ కాకు. కెప్టెన్ అమెరికా నేను తింటా. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ ఈట్, డోంట్ వరీ. నేనేం ఫాస్టింగ్ ఏం ఉండను, తింటా. కాకపోతే టైం పడుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ మీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్నీ క్లియర్ అయిపోతే అదే నాకు కడుపు నిండినంత హాయిగా ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు నేను మంచిగా తినొచ్చు. ఐ కెన్ ఈట్, ఐ విల్ ఈట్, డోంట్ వరీ. ట్రై టు బి ఫోకస్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్. Okay, now these are the four reducing agents they have given. These are the reducing agent. Aldehyde, it will convert into the alcohol. Lithium sodium borohydride also will be converted, reduce that aldehyde into the alcohol. Diboron also will reduce the aldehyde into alcohol, and the metal and the hydrogen will be reduced into the alcohol. Okay, next one. Second one is a ketone. Ketone, if they have given ketone, it will be directly convert that into the 2-degree alcohol. This is 2-degree alcohol. Ketone, it will directly convert into the 2-degree alcohol. By which one? Lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, diboron, and the metal and the hydrogen. Next, carboxylic acid, if they have given. Carboxylic acid also will be converted into the 1-degree alcohol. By the which one? Lithium aluminum hydride, but sodium borohydride will not reduce the carboxylic acid. Now diboron will be reduced, and the metal and the hydrogen it will be reduced. Next comes to the ester. Now when it comes to the ester, same, lithium aluminum hydride will be reduced, sodium borohydride will not reduce, clear, and the diboron will be reduced, and metal and the hydrogen will be reduced. Clear? Now all right. Now next one we are having the acid chloride. Acid chloride also will be converted into the alcohol. By which one? Lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, then diboron will not reduce acid chloride, and metal and the hydrogen will be reduced. Okay, next one, alkene itself the what? The nucleophile. Again it will be converted into the alkane. Not alcohol. You have to be lithium aluminum hydride will reduce, sodium borohydride will not reduce, diboron it will be reduced, and it will be the metal hydrogen it will be reduced. So these are the some reducing agent table you have to remember. If you remember this reducing agent table, very fastly you can predict the any question they may ask. Whatever may be the question they may ask, very fastly we can. I hope it is clear. Should I enlarge? I hope the table is clear. I think so. If you want me to enlarge, means I will enlarge. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Right. Okay. Now, anyone are writing the notes? The one who are in the live, anyone are writing the notes? Should I move to the next topic? Or else better you take the screenshot of it. This reagent table, screenshot of it. Take the screenshot of this reagent table so that you can remember very fastly. These reagents are very, very important. Done, sir. Copied, right. We'll move. Okay. Now, right. Now, other than these reducing agents, there we are having the some reducing agents that we are having. What is that? Lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride reduces. Lithium aluminum hydride reduces NO2 also, cyanide also, okay, acid amide also. Done. And benzyl position, this is very, very important. Benzyl position double bonds. If any benzyl position double bonds we are having, that also it will be reduced by the lithium aluminum hydride. Benzyl position double bond means this is a benzyl position double bond. Is it clear? Done. Next one. Next one we are having. Next one we are going to see. After this one, benzyl position will be converted into, right? Now we'll do the questions based on this one. Lithium LaH we can written in this manner also, NaBH4 and NiH2. Sir, is organic odd or inorganic or physical chemistry? Anshika, chemistry itself easy. There is no any tough chemistry. Chemistry itself easy. So we cannot divide the chemistry into three parts. Actually, the chemistry itself easy. In that, organic chemistry is very, very easy. Organic chemistry is very, very easy when you know, if you have cleared with the GOC. I will say the concepts. If these concepts are clear for you, organic chemistry is easy. What? First is IUPAC. Before going to the IUPAC, first of all, atomic structure chapter should be clear for you. Then classification of periodic chapter clear for you. If that chemical bonding chapter, if these three chapters are clear with the well-known concept and the well-known application, then if you move into the GOC, in that GOC you have to be very much clear with the IUPAC, then after isomerism, then after the mesomeric effect, inductive effect and hyperconjugation, bond length, and how to apply to the reactive intermediates. Those three applications, how to apply to the which one? Reactive intermediates. After that, if you move to the hydrocarbons, alkane, alkene, alkyne, then aromatic hydrocarbon. If these are clear for you, then organic is very, 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 very easy. If not, it is hard. When it comes to inorganic, only for the mains we are having 4 chapters. Only 4. That is which one? Classification of periodic table, chemical bonding, coordination, D and F, and the practical inorganic chemistry, that is a salt analysis. Third one is a butanol. Yes, good one. Butadiene 1-ol, right. First one is a butadiene 1-ol. Anshika, I hope it is clear, I think so. Next one is a butane 2-ol. Now the carboxylic acid will not react with the sodium borohydrate. Sodium borohydrate. Clear? Now next one. Next one. Now what is the product name? 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 Sir, but I study all of those, but I face a problem in hydrocarbons. Ansika, already I was did the very beautiful lectures of the GOC and the hydrocarbons. You can go through to my channel. Now with the elaboratedly, yes, red phosphorus is also a good reducing agent. Yes. Now elaboratedly I was given the with the molecular models I explained. Now what are the reactions to be remember, how to do the questions, how to do the conversion questions, I was explained very clearly. Once you go through to the my channel, in that I was having the playlist for the GOC, separate IUPAC we are having the playlist, separate GOC we are having the playlist, separate hydrocarbons we are having the playlist. Once you go through to the my playlist, clear, there you can see the lectures of mine. Once if you follow, if you are having any problem, you can contact me. That already I was provide the mail ID. Sir, I was facing here, or else daily we are having the which one live session. In that live session also you can interact and you can ask your doubts, whatever you are having to regarding your chemistry. I can clarify your doubts. Right? Butane 2 in 1 hole. Butane 2 in 1 hole. Good. Butane 2 in 1 hole. Now I will write the one very big question. Now you have to say me. First one NaBH4, second one LaH, fourth one Ni nickel in the presence of H2. Now you see. Grignard reagent I was explained just now. Just now I was explained the Grignard reagent. In the Grignard reagent, how the mechanism will be followed. Once if the class live session ends, once you go through this live session, now try to say me the answer for this question. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Grignard reagent just now I explained. Sir, he is reading NCERT is important in organ. Anshika, are you preparing for NEET or JEE? Are you preparing for the NEET or JEE? Are you preparing for NEET or JEE? First one is no reaction. Praneeth, okay, good. Praneeth, NaBH4, no reaction. Okay, good, Nana. Next one. Anshika, for which stream you are preparing? JEE or 3-phenyl prop 2 in 1 all. Good. JEE mains and board. Okay, for the JEE mains, reading NCERT is the first priority. Reading NCERT is the first priority. After reading the NCERT, once the NCERT has been done, then moving to the questions part. What is the meaning of the questions parts? Means taking any of the well-known question banks, making like MS on some other any material of any different institutions. Solving the questions will make you strengthen in the organic after reading the NCERT. NCERT is well and good. NCERT is a well and good. Yes. For the PYQs, MS on is good. Clear? Reading the NCERT is first priority. After completion of the NCERT, reading some other reference book also. Himanshu Pandey. Himanshu Pandey is also good. That is also good. That is also very good. Himanshu Pandey is good. Next, MS Chauhan is good for the organic, and the next one for the Singage is also good. GRB is also good. For the content, if you need more content on the subject, then the Singage and the GRBs are best. That books, what they will do, they will give you the content plus questions. In that content also we will get. Is PYK good for? Okay, whatever may be, that it is depending upon you. Whatever may be the modules you are having of the respective. See, solving n number of questions in the organic will make you pro in the exam. Pranit, you are saying 3-cyclohexyl, propane, 1 ol. Yes, good. Clear, because the nickel it will make the aromatic compound into the non-aromatic. Done? Clear? Right. Now. Okay, fine. Now I will write the one other compound. Now you have to say me. They have given in this manner. NaBH4, lithium aluminum hydride, and Ni nickel NiH2. Okay, still you are having any concerns regarding to the organic chemistry? Regarding to the organic chemistry, still you are having any concerns? If you are having any concerns, you can ask me. I am ready to help you. NaBH4 and LAH. Right, say me the answers. Thank you for clearing my. Okay. First, Anshika, first what you do, try to strengthen those topics which I was said. First, try to strengthen the atomic structure. Okay. Then after classification of periodic table, then after that chemical bonding. Whatever the basics that we are going to study in these 3 chapters, that we are going to see in the organic chemistry. In this organic chemistry, first clear the IUPAC, then after the isomerism, then after the GOC, then after the hydrocarbons. If these are clear, then whatever may be the organic chemistry you are studying, then easily you can catch. I am not saying you will get by solving the n number of questions you will get, but easily you can catch the any reaction whatever your faculty is teaching. Clear? Now by solving the n number of questions, what you will get? You will get some idea of the role of that reagent and the reactive intermediate, how it will work. It will do. Clear? Right. First one, Pranit, 5-hydroxy cyclohexy 2-in-1-ol. 5-hydroxy cyclohexy 2-in-1-ol. Oh, you are saying that 5-hydroxy, this is a 1-ol, 5-hydroxy 1. You have to do the plenty of the questions. Actually, this is a product for the first one. You have to do n number of questions you have to solve, because sodium borohydride, it will solve the aldehyde as well as a ketone, but not the double bond. Now Second one also it will give the same product. Second one also will give the same product. Third one. Second one also will give the same product, right? This is a ketone and this is a aldehyde. Both it will get. This is a aldehyde, right? Aldehyde, and this is a ketone. So you have to be very careful. Now next, third one, cyclohexane. Okay. No, third one you will get in this manner. Now, Anshika, if you are facing, after I watch your hydrocarbon. No, start with the Anshika. First, what you do? First, start with the GOC, not directly through the hydrocarbon. If you are having the application and you are strengthening the GOC, then you start with the hydrocarbon. But without you are having any basics of the GOC and that and all, what it will happen? You know, whatever the faculty is teaching, that you will not understand. So try to strengthen the basics first. Try to clear the basics first and then you start watching the lectures. Then it will be very clear for you. Okay? Because the JEE mains exam is only, still you are having only almost exactly 180 days. This is a 23. Maybe by next January 23, 2026, the JEE mains exams will start. Maybe it will be started the Jan 22 or Jan 20 only. Means almost July, August, September, October, November, December, clear, and the January. Almost you are having exactly 7 months from today. 210 days you are having. In that 210 days, within 3 months, within three months you have to complete your entire portions. 1 month, 1.5 month you have to give it for the revision. 1.5 month you have to give it for the revision, and 2 months you have to solve the questions itself. Okay. 12th physics and the inorganic compounds. Then it is good. Only organic. For that, for your organic, I am ready to help you. Whatever may be the backlogs you are having, and whatever may be the misconceptions you are having, and if wherever you are facing the problem, and what are the concerns you are having, you can text me. You can mail it to my mail ID so that I can make what are the problems to overcome, that I will explain you. Clear? Now these are the, you can contact to my mail ID for any books and any all, and or else you can watch the lectures which I was made in the class. Now what is the answer for the second one? What is the answer for the second one? No. If the syllabus, if it is go through the November, then your JEE mains rank will come in the next 2027, because at least you have to maintain the 2 months of the preparation for question solving only, because you are not going to study only one topic, one subject, right? You have to balance the maths, you have to balance the physics, and you have to balance the, which one? You have to balance the chemistry. All three you have to balance. So I will max to max, I will try to finish the syllabus by August. This second year complete JEE mains topics I will try to finish by the September, not August, by the September. I will finish. Sir, first one I got the structure, sir. Okay, fine. Not getting the IUPAC. Why you are not getting the IUPAC? Which one you are not getting the IUPAC? This is the answer. Now this is a ethyl, right? Now this is a OH. Now whenever this type of the questions they have given, now listen. Okay, now how to write the IUPAC name of this one? Listen. Now how to write the IUPAC name of this one? This is a ester functional group, right? This is a ester functional group. Ester functional group, whenever they have given, write the name of this alkyl which is attached to the oxygen. First you write the name of this alkali which is attached to this oxygen. So this is ethyl. Okay, ethyl. After that give the naming 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Ethyl 3 hydroxy. Okay, ethyl 3 hydroxy 1, 2, 3, 4 butane 108. Butane 108. Is it clear? Sir, I was completed the those chapters enough for atomic structure. Not exonerate 1, 2, 3, 4. Because in 11th I can't understand that much. Atomic structure, what is the atomic modern physics you have studied, right? In the modern physics, see, modern physics you will study only, I think, only up to de Broglie, I think so. There is no any Schrodinger wave equation, then there is no any quantum numbers, there is no any shapes of orbital, I think so. Anyone say? I don't know that much in the modern physics. I think in the modern physics, are you having any Schrodinger wave equation, quantum number, shapes of orbital, radial node, axial node, radial node, angular node? That type of the concepts are there in the modern physics. I think so only up to de Broglie wavelength or Heisenberg uncertainty principle it is there, I think so, in the modern physics. I think Bohr postulates are there. I think only the Bohr postulates are there, I think so. Anshika, you are preparing for JEE Advanced, JEE Mains, right? You are the dropper or you are the dropper or you are studying in the class 11th or you are in the 11th? Now say me the IUPAC names of this one. Say me the IUPAC names of this one. Okay, Bohr's model is okay. Bohr's model is okay. Then photoelectric effect is okay. Matter waves is okay. But you are having the de Broglie wavelength is very important. Heisenberg uncertainty it is there. Schrodinger wave equation it is there. And from that quantum numbers it has came. After that how to write the electronic configuration we have to know. Then after the shapes of the orbital. So 11th class of the atomic structure is very important. Modern physics is different, atomic structure is different. Up to only photoelectric effect it is there, I think so, in the modern physics. Now, can anyone say me the answers for this one? Can anyone say the answers for this one? Yes, de Broglie is there, but Schrodinger is not there. Okay. De Broglie is there, but Schrodinger. Okay, sir. Thank you. Fine. Okay, done. Once you go through the atomic structure, Anshika, once you go through the atomic structure and then start the GOC, you are saying that your inorganic is completed, right? Classification of periodic table and the chemical bonding is completed, right? So 3-hydroxy butane 1-ol. So 3-hydroxy 1, 2, 3, 4 butane 1, 2, 1, 3 propane diol. Both are same OH, right? Pranit, both are same OH, right? How you are taking one is a substituent and one you are how you are taking one as a functional group, one as a substituent? 3 hydroxy butynyl chloride. Yes, 3 hydroxy butynyl chloride. This is 3 hydroxy butynyl chloride. This is a diol. Both are same. No, you should not take one as a substituent and one as a functional group. And the last one also you will get same. Last one also you will get the same. Last one also you will get the same. Is it clear? Right. Now, these are the some preparation methods we are having to prepare the which one? Same product. Yes. Now, I will give you the some IUPAC. Will you try to convert? I will give you the IUPAC. Will you try to convert it in the 2 or more steps like that? Should I give the conversion questions? It is somewhat high level. It is somewhat high level. It is somewhat high level, but try. Max to max you try. If you get well and good, if not, you can ask me, I will explain. Okay, first conversion question. Benzene C6H6 in the presence of AC2O, AlCl3 gives B. This is A, this is B. This B upon methyl magnesium bromide in the hydrolysis gives C. This is C upon concentrated H2SO4 gives D. This D upon diborane in the presence of tetrahydrofuran peroxide OH minus gives E. Can you say me the B, C, D, E? Can you say me the B, C, D, E? IUPAC name of the E. Can you say me the IUPAC name of the E? Can you say me the IUPAC name of the E? Anyone? Anyone who is in the live? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of the E? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of the E? Can anyone say me the IUPAC name of the E? Okay, you can take your own time. I will wait. Rest any other who are in the live? 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 Anyone who are in the live can you say me hi other than Pranit? Anyone who are in the live, can you say me hi? Hi to me so that I get to know that you are in the live. Sir, I am getting stuck at C. Why? Why you are getting stuck at C? What is the compound name? What is the compound B you got? What is the compound B you got? Pranit, you say me what is the compound B you got? What is the compound B you got? You say me what is the compound B you got, I will say what is the C. Acetophenol, right? This is a acetophenol. This is a acetophenol. Then acetophenol upon the Grignard reagent, it will convert into in this manner, right? Now this is a compound 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. C is 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. Now this is a concentrated, right? Concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 heating. What it will give? It will give the alkene, right? This is concentrated H2SO4 heating only. This is concentrated only. They will not provide any heating like that. You have to consider OH if they have given, concentrated H2SO4 they have given. You have to do the elimination. You have to do the elimination. Other than him, anyone are there? Okay, you can say. Other than Pranit, anyone are in the live, they can try to say me the answer. Anyone are in the live? You have stopped the reaction here itself. Jatin Agarwal is not getting. Sinana, first one is the acetophenol. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Sir, how is BSc B.Ed physics course, sir? 2-methyl 2-phenyl ethanol at NIT. 2-methyl 2-phenyl ethanol. What is the product you got? 2-methyl 2-phenyl ethanol. 2-phenyl. No, IUPAC is wrong. Pranit, whatever the IUPAC you got, it is wrong. Hard stone. Sir, how is BSc plus B.Ed physics course, sir, at NIT Warangal? Nana, I was chemistry faculty. I was not having any that much idea about the physics. Okay, sorry for it. Hard stone, I was not having that much about the course of the physics and all. You can ask me about the career related to the chemistry, I can explain. But Pranit, whatever the IUPAC you wrote, that is wrong. Now Jatin, should I explain? Now the first one is a acetic anhydride, right? Now this is acetic anhydride. In this acetic anhydride, Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this Friedel-Crafts acylation, now you will get the CH3 C double bond O plus, and that it will go and attack to the benzene. Now the first one, B, is the acetophenol. B is the which one? Acetophenol. First B is the acetophenol. After getting the acetophenol, Grignard reagent, right? Grignard reagent, Mg will be added to this carbonyl carbon and it will convert into the alcohol. It will convert into the alcohol in this manner. How? 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. You can see this is 1, 2, 3. 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. Clear? After that, concentrated H2SO4, elimination of the H2O will take place. Elimination of the H2O will take place. After taking the elimination of the H2O, then what is the compound you will get? 2-phenyl propane 1-ene you will get. 2-phenyl propane 1-ene. In this manner, 2-phenyl propane 1-ene you will get. Then 2-phenyl propane 1-ene, after you are getting, this is hydroboration, right? Hydroboration. After making the hydroboration, you will get the OH here. You will get the OH here. 2-phenyl, this is 1, 2. 2-phenyl propane 1-ol. 2-phenyl propane 1-ol you will get. 2-phenyl propane 1-ol you will get. This is a compound you will get. Is it clear? Or you are having any doubt? Is it clear or still you are having any doubt? Sir, name wrong. That what only. This is carbon chain, right? This is carbon chain. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. This is a carbon chain. Clear, sir. Should I give the another question? Same pattern. Should I give the another question? Should I give the another question with the same pattern only? Should I give the same with the same pattern only? Should I give the another question? Yes, sir. Right. Now listen. Next one. Next one. Almost all the hydrocarbons reactions will be covered. With this one, sir, can we do a full night session? My Jatin, then will you wait in online? Will you give me 30 minutes? If you give me 30 minutes for me to have lunch, then we can have the full night session. No problem for me. Then will you wait? Will you wait for the 30 minutes? No problem. College is tomorrow 8:30, right? I mean full night in the sense, up to what time, Jatin, you are asking? I can do up to 11:30. Max to max I can do up to 11:30. Because tomorrow morning also I am having the college. I have to go to the college also. Sunday we can do, Jatin. Sunday we can do. Sunday from the starting to evening we can do. No problem. Jatin, the Sunday we can do from the starting to from the morning, or we'll start at the afternoon and we can end at the session at the late night also. Sunday it is no problem. Sunday or else Saturday night, Saturday also it is enough for me, because Saturday, next day is a Sunday, I can take a rest. Saturday, this type of the late night sessions we can keep it in the Saturday. Right. Now another conversion question. CH3 CH2Br upon alcoholic KOH gives A. This A upon Br2 gives C. C upon 2 moles of sodium amide gives D. Okay. This D upon R MgX this D upon R MgBr plus 1 mole. R MgBr 1 mole, it will give you the RH plus E. RH plus E. Okay. This E upon acetone plus H3O plus gives F. Now what is the F over there? What is the F over there? What is the F over there? Will you try? Pranit, anyone in the live? Anyone in the live? Anyone in the live? Anyone, any student are in the live? Anyone is in live? Okay, okay, do. Do. Almost done. Okay. Try. Jatin, are you there? Anyone in the live? Yes. Jatin, are you doing? Tertiary butanol I got. Tertiary butanol. How come you will get tertiary butanol? How come you will get tertiary butanol? Okay, tertiary butanol only you got. There is no any some other product. I mean, tertiary butanol you got. What is the IUPAC name of that compound? You know, right? IUPAC? You know, right? IUPAC? Should I explain? Sir, ECH3MgBr. Listen, I will explain. Now once you cross check whether these are correct or not, once you cross check 2-methyl propane, sir, I cannot get D. D you are not getting. I will explain. Listen. Now listen. First one is a elimination reaction, we know, right? This is E2 elimination. Due to this E2 elimination, A is which one? Ethene. A is ethene. Okay, ethene upon Br2. Ethene upon Br2, it will become dibromo ethane in this manner, B, because bromines will be added to the alkene. After the 2 moles of the sodium amide, right? 2 moles of the sodium amide, C will become alkyne. C will become the alkyne. In this manner, the C will become alkyne. After the C, D upon RGMX, C upon the RGMX, Grignard reagent, right? This is the acidic hydrogen, and R negative, and MgBr plus, right? Then this H plus it will go and attack, and the D you will get the RH plus CH triple bond CMgBr. Again it will form the Grignard reagent. Again this Grignard reagent, if it is reacted with the acetone in this manner, this is the acetone, right? In this acetone, again this bond will be broken. Now this negative charge it will go and attack. Now what it will get? You will get the alcohol. You will get the alcohol. Now which one? F. E, you got it, right? This is the E. F will be the What Fe you will get Me, here it is a C, here it is a Me, here it is a OH, here it is a C triple bond CH. In this manner you will get F is in this manner. Here you have to take it 2 mole. Already I have mentioned, right, 2 mole. Now in this manner you will get. Is it clear? Jetin? Jetin, you got it right? This type of the mistakes only you are doing. This type of the mistakes only you have to rectify. Right. Should I give the another question? Jetin, whatever the problem you are having, will you wait for the half an hour so that I can eat and I will come, or else can we see tomorrow? We'll see tomorrow, or should I end the class here? Tomorrow we'll see the chemical reactions of the alcohol. Chemical reactions of the alcohol and preparations of the phenol and its chemical properties and all. What are the doubts you are having? I mean, what are the, you are saying that, sir, can we do the night session? I am ready to do, but what is the concern? I mean, like, what are the doubts you are having? Praneeth, you can leave, Nana. Okay, then tomorrow we'll do. Okay, I will close the session today here. Tomorrow we can do. Tomorrow chemical reactions of alcohols, that and all. But tomorrow the live will be at 9 I will start. Tomorrow live session I will start at 9 to 11, like that we'll do. Tomorrow 9 I will start. 9 to approx 9 to 11 will close. 9 to 11 or 10:30 will close tomorrow, because tomorrow I was starting the atomic structure classes also. Yes, 9 p.m. Tomorrow I will start the 2 types of the lectures. One is atomic structure, 7 to 8:30. Then after the half an hour I will break, I will have my lunch, and at 9 I will start the alcohols, phenols, ethers of the lecture number 2 of the alcohols, chemical properties of the alcohols. Okay, so that parallelly first year classes also will go, and parallelly second year classes also will go. So the any of the student they are having any in the backlogs, they can cross check. Okay, Rana, good night. Okay, good night. Anyone in the live they are having any concern? Anyone in the lives they are having any concern, so that they can say to me, I will clarify. If not, I will end the session here. I will end the session here. Should I end the session here? Should I end the session here? Everyone? Should I end the session here? Anyone in the live? Bye. Okay, Nana. Good night. Bye. Right. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.